am I?
Hello, Kyle. Or should I say, Killer of Flames. You spend your life and terrorize the others, making sure each victim has the most pain you had to offer them. The neighborhood for where you live, asylum, or anywhere in a sleepy town in the streets has known your hand. You had killed your own family and your brother as well. And you will kill a lot of people that lives in their homes. When you died in 2010 for the first time, people thought that it was the final hell for you. But you knew it was only just the beginning. You keep coming back, like a plague, a spot of wine on a gray silk dress that sadly will always remain forever. But now you are in here, in a small white tile room, a device around your neck. It's a death mask. The mask is on a spring timer.
Get to the point, puppet.
I assure you, I am not a child's toy. Do not underestimate the danger you are in.
Then why hide? Come out and face me, coward. In all honesty, Chunky looks scarier than you and Annabelle.
No, I would not lower myself to be like you, Kyle. I am no killer, but you are. You are a perfect psychopath, or sociopath, maybe. Do you know what the difference between sociopath and psychopath is?
Nope, can't say I do so much. But I have a feeling you're gonna tell me.
Many speculate a psychopath is much, much smarter than a sociopath. Today we find out which one you truly, really are.
What the hell you want from me?
What do I want? I want to play a game. In front of you lies two levers. One, hope. The hope that you would die, if not for others, for yourself. Let all roll down and wash away, Kyle. No more rotting. No more hate. It can all end tonight if you have the courage to let it.
Not likely, buddy. The other option now.
The other lever will let the death mask that you're wearing it go into activation and close in on you. You will go to hell. At least until someone finds you, unaware of a monster that was locked up and masked, dying. Come back and again to unleash whatever evil you feel like dishing out. What will it be? Can you be finally let go of your hate for the bully named Cassius, your mother, and your father, and your proxies, family too? Kill yourself and be free, or continue to be a family of this earth. Live or die, Kyle. Let the game begin.
You high and mighty fuck. You think you're better than me, huh? Well, why you play God if you don't think so? Why know who you are, John Kramer? Oh yeah, little Johnny boy got the cancer and cries himself all the way over a cliff. Only gets a crush of the pain. Correct?
Not quite. But yes, John Kramer was the original Jigsaw killer, but his work grows, and is now more important than ever. Like in prison on the first day of school. Imagine what you can feel by doing the right thing, Kyle. Do you remember feeling? What are you hiding, Kyle?
This could be my chance to do something good for once. My life has been nothing but hate after hate, sorrow after sorrow for someone. But now, I can't let it all go. For real. Let myself be free. No more blood. No more crimes. No more madness of hate. An echoing silence for God forever. I Well, never stop. Never let them go. Not now, and not when their bodies have no more blood to pump in them. Catches. John, my brother, my family, and my proxy family will all be mine.
I beg you to reconsider that notion.
Nope. No. What? What's this? What is the timer doing?
Sorry, Kyle. Wrong choice. I wanted you so badly to win. But you couldn't. To find something human, and when you were dead, well, who would have justified of all my hard work?
You call this hard work? Trying coming back to life multiple times, and then add small visits of hell on the register, watching your poor brother die on your arms, even your son and your wife getting beat by your asshole father daily. Try to see through my eyes once, Jigsaw. Just once. And you will be brought down to your knees. To your knees, damn it!
Oh no, Kyle. I didn't mean the ease of you getting here. I am afraid a brother of yours, Toby, dragged you here for a very little trouble. No hard work in which I speak. It's the hard work of finding you all these years, and even more so, the hard work of an uncle to a young boy named Kyle Richer.
Wait. No fucking way.
Oh yes, Kyle. Who better try to save your soul?
Than me. Uncle Joey? Yes, it is I, your good uncle. I was trying to help you for all these years, because you've been acting like this for a long, very time. But much like tonight, I exactly failed you. The death mask timer will be going off shortly. Something is so strong, not even you could survive from it. Because it was one of those sharpy nails that could crush your face. And this place will burn as well as you. And that door will never be open. All the death, all the pain of you caused people does end tonight. You see, I lied for the purpose of my pain. Believer you didn't hold would have you kept sleeping. Kept you safe to live on as you have been doing for a very long time now. For the one life you did, well, it will bring you something which you know best forever. You lied! Let me out! I played and I should have won! But you didn't win. You chose to kill and torture. You were given the gift of life, and then some. I thought the best thing for you was die, but I realized that only you could make that choice. You know, you're the closest thing I have to a son. A bit. How far up is that? Then let me out, father. I could change. Very nice try. I know what you are, personally, and simply evil. Kyle Richer, it's time to come face to face with the consequence of your actions. Before you die, I have only one question for you. Was it all worth it? The suffering, the pain, the rage? Yes, that almost beautiful, an angel. Goodbye, Kyle. Where you suffer in death, no more. This isn't the end. It's never the end. Never the end for me. God damn it. Oh, but it is. A long way to end is finally here. Hell is coming to you, Kyle, with open arms. Game over. And there. Ah! Sorry guys, this is just a prank, and this video is not canon to the Killer Flame series.